pro tip on fermenting sauerkraut. When your sauerkraut is ready to go into the fridge, it's all fully fermented 7 days in. See this brine that is still here? Do not sample your kraut until that brine is absorbed into the cabbage. That will happen from refrigeration. Let me show you these two that have been in the fridge. You can see there's no liquid brine. This is cold and chilled down overnight. Now it's ready for sampling. Don't ever taste a fresh ferment that hasn't been refrigerated at least 24 hours. And if it tastes a little not to your liking, leave it in the fridge for a week. Fermentation mellows out as it chills. But absolutely never ever taste sauerkraut that has this brine outside of the cabbage. It needs the chilling time in the fridge, at least 24 hours, to go right back into the cabbage. All that water that we release during the massage process will go right back into the cabbage. This one's ready for tasting. We're having a sauerkraut tasting tonight, and we're having it on sauerkraut melts. Forget the tuna melt. We're having kraut melts. That's what we're having tonight on a protective diet.